Morning guys, we're taking a trip to the beautiful rice fields and then we're going to go and view some villas up in Ubud.
Yeah, gotta get some breakfast. It's first time going there, so it's all gonna be a new experience.
We haven't had much luck viewing villas around Seminyak, Canggu area, so we're just going to venture out, I think. They're a bit cheaper up there and they're a lot nicer, aren't they?
Yeah, got more space. This is our lovely entrance way to our villa.
Gorgeous.
Not every one of them has them. So we're at Pisson, and we're right.
Wow, look at that car.
Yeah, I know. I thought that's what it was. Right next to a rice field, which is lovely. Look at the ceiling as well. So Anthony, what did you order for your breakfast?
I got a creamy salmon bagel.
Creamy, was it?
Don't know, that might be yours, but I got a salmon bagel.
House smoked, wasn't it? Salmon?
Yes, house smoked.
And I got an Asian style croissant with chicken. So I'm excited
and we got
for that.
some volcanic water as well.
I know, reflection. Been filtered with volcanic rocks. Delicious.
Delicious.
So this is my Asian style croissant with a poached egg. You have like a curry on the side. That's where the chicken's in, I think.
Very
You just like dip it.
Very fusion, isn't it?
It's like a deconstructed croissant.
Yes. And this is my salmon bagel.
With salad.
With a salad.
Delicious. Let's tuck it. It is the most delicious curry I've ever had, you know?
Really?
It's so good. I can't even describe how it tastes.
It's pretty intense, isn't it? Salmon bagel's nice, but you know what you're getting with a salmon bagel.
This is so good. This is like a really nice way to wake up to like something a little bit spicy, you know?
Obviously, once again, Sabrina gets a better breakfast every single video.
I always go out of my comfort zone.
Thank you very much.
So this is what always happens in the end. Anthony finishes off my food when I'm done with it. One of the best breakfasts I've had, I think. Absolutely delicious. We're coming back here again for sure.
I've never tasted anything like this before.
No. I want to know what specifically that curry is called, you know?
I want more.
Sufficed. Satisfied? Yeah, that's what I meant.
Sufficed.
Okay, so our viewing is in half an hour. I think we've just got about 24 minutes to get, well, it takes to get there, so. So we better get a wriggle on. So that
We viewed the first place. What did you think of it?
I liked it, but it was just really far in the middle of nowhere. So I don't know, it was really reasonably priced as well, like a proper bargain, but
Just two out the way.
yeah.
No, just stopped for a coffee at this view.
Yeah, the view is insane. Apparently it's a good place to come watch the sunset as well.
Is it?
Yeah, they have like a sunset bar. Now we're gonna go view another property. This is one of our favourite ones that we saw. Hopefully it lives up to the pictures. But yeah.
what did you think of the second place?
I was in love with the second place, and I knew I would be. However, we found out that it's available for daily rental, and it's been booked up for about 10 days, 1 month, and then another week or so, another month. So I mean, if we moved there, we'd have to move out every time they have people staying there that are booked. So it's just not convenient for us, is it?
Now we're at the third one, aren't we? And this is the view from the villa. I think this is the villa just behind the Drino.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is this one.
So yeah, not much luck, to be honest. Not much luck so far, which sucks.
Originally we had 10 different ones we wanted to view, and we only managed to see 4, I think. No, actually, is it 3 actually?
Seen 3, yeah.
Seen 3, yeah. So not going so great.
Not great, to be honest, but you know, fingers crossed. Save it best till last, maybe.
Fingers crossed, yeah. Fingers crossed.
And the view is absolutely magnificent.
Gorgeous. Whoa, that is crazy. Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
The thing, you'd have to go to one of the cafes to see this view, but you can see this here for free. I think the camera's not even doing any justice to this view, man.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Oh, there's the swings. Stunning. Unfortunately, the weather.
We're getting rained out, so we can't launch the drone, and we can't.
Also, the phone is quite low battery. Yeah, we'll come back to Ubud. We're probably gonna look for some more properties here. So yeah, we've got plenty of chances to come back here, don't we?
We're
Go on the swings, hopefully.
We're going to Titi Batu, aren't we?
Yes, yeah, with Titi Batu.
It's like a skate park with a swimming pool and a fitness centre.
Gym, yeah.
Gym. So yeah, and then we're just gonna head home, aren't we?
We're at Titi Batu.
It's like a complete fitness centre, has skate park, basketball court, massive pool, gym, yoga, all the other.
Pretty much nailed it, yeah. Hey guys, so we're just at the beach with a beer. We are in Seminyak Beach. Come to watch the sunset. Looking lovely already, isn't it?
Looking wonderful.
I think we're going to find a spot to lay out a towel and just watch the sun go down, yeah. It's quite busy here today, this evening, I mean. Yeah. So lovely. I love how you can see the reflection of the sky in the sand. Or the wet sand anyway. Much better than earlier on. We were in Ubud when it started to rain, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
So this is the first time in Bali that we've publicly, did I say that right? Launched the drone. So pretty exciting stuff.
So unfortunately we weren't able to film in Ubud purely because it started raining, but it was our first time there. Hope you enjoy it obviously, but I'm sure there'll be plenty more to come. We also went to Titu Batu, which is a skate park, which has also got a pool and a gym.
It's like a wellness centre.
It's a wellness centre, yeah. We didn't really film in there purely because we just wanted to just skate and just chill.
Relax, yeah. We were both quite sweaty messes when we were skateboarding, so...
It wouldn't have been the best opportunity, would it?
Yeah, but we'll go back there again shortly, won't we? So...
We did briefly show you the rise terraces as well, but like we said, it just started raining the second we got there.
Yeah, so we couldn't take the drone out, and we were kind of just getting the feel of the place, you know, kind of trying to just find our bearings essentially.
We're not going to take any of the places that we saw in Ubud. They weren't really our cup of tea. They were really nice. And
some of the places were a little bit too rural for our liking, you know, they were a bit dirt road access to get to, a bit too remote. But we found a nice place in Seminyak, haven't we?
Yeah, which we'll show you soon.
So we'll see you in our next video, guys.
Sound.
Bye.